So the challenge with this song was trying to come up with something that sounds both new and old. Like that solo on Mud on the Tires has so many things like that's such an interesting thing that I only used that one time really. Yeah. That kind of stuff. So I was like, how do I throw in a few of those Easter eggs as well as some new solo that's sort of that. Those kinds of things, because on the Mud thing, it's such a that. There's so many licks like that, and I even in the beginning of the song there. Those are all, I don't know what it is. They're not the same as Mud on the Tires, but it does feel like you're back in that universe or something. And it's like building a sequel. It's like, what do you do when you do a sequel to something, which is kind of what this is. It's also its own thing, but it's nostalgia. It's return. It's the thing where you go back and fire up the guitar that was under a tarp in the barn. And so yeah, the solos on this song were meant to sort of evoke what I was doing at that time, guitar-wise.